Here we have this absolutely gorgeous 1954 Excelsior Consort 98cc 2-stroke, 2-speed, girder front end, rigid rear. It was professionally restored at an unbelievable cost of over £5,000. Invoices in support of it, but it's absolutely stunning. I think we've got a Lancaster bomber going over the top. Isn't that nice? It's come out of private collections of lightweight bikes. And as far as I'm concerned, it doesn't require anything. We'll just give it some fresh fuel and we can get that to you if you'd like that. That's absolutely lovely. Thank you.